I want to show you a topic that comes up every year on GCSE Maths Foundation. So you want to start off with simplifying it as much as possible, okay? Meaning we're going to look to this bracket first. Now numbers you would just treat normally. So you would just do 2 to the power of 3. That would give you 8 straight away. And then when you have powers and brackets, you multiply them. So for example, you're going to do 3 times 3, meaning you end up with x to the 9. Now the y technically has a power of 1 there, we just don't write it. So 1 times 3 means the y is now to the power of 3, right? So what we can do is we can then multiply that by the rest of the equation. So multiplying the top, remember numbers you just treat normally. So you just do 6 multiplied by 8, that gives you 48. And then when you multiply, you just add your powers. So x to the 5 times x to the 9. You add your powers, you do 5 add 9. That gives you a new power of 14. And then y to the 4 times y cubed. Once again, you're multiplying, so you just add your powers. That's all you have to do. So 4 add 3 gives you y to the power of 7. So now all of that goes on the top, and we're dividing it by the bit on the bottom, so the 12x to the 5y squared. So numbers, once again, you just treat normally. So 48 divided by 12 gives us 4. And then when you divide, you just subtract your powers, just the opposite of multiplying, right? When you multiply, you add. So when you divide, you minus. So 14 take away 5 gives you x to the 9. And then 7 take away 2 gives you y to the 5. And then that there is your final answer.